this the Hello and welcome to Roop's Life and Lifestyle. You must be wondering why did we speak in this language. It is actually Konkani, my mother tongue, and we are headed towards Goa for a family vacation. And as you know, when you're happy, you should travel to celebrate. When you're sad, you should travel to forget. And when nothing interesting is happening, you should travel to create memories. So we are on our trip to create such memories together. This year has not been quite a very good one. So ending the year, this COVID-stricken year, trying to make it as happy and as positive as possible. Let's see what memories we can create together. Let's get on with the video. And if you're new to my channel, don't forget to subscribe to Roop's Life and Lifestyle. Madam is keeping herself busy, listening to some music, I think BTS, her current favorite, and she's reading something as well. Only mother doesn't know how to occupy herself. Guess the city where I am right now. Kim Cho. Majama. A very clean airport of Ahmedabad. Wow. Just to bring in the Christmas feeling. Lovely. Season's greetings. On to our flight to Goa. Wow, look at the sky. Such a panoramic view. The colors on real is mind-boggling. This is on our way to Goa, which is about 863 kilometers and approximately takes 1.5 hours. Finally reached Dabolim Airport, and from there we took a cab to Nanu Resort.
Going for breakfast.
সিঁড়িভাবে কেউ নেই সিঁড়িভাবে কি খাচ্ছে কি করছো না 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 দাঁড়া
Hey, what are you doing? Come on. Come on. This is Betal Batim beach between Majorda and Kolva. This is quite a secluded beach. In fact, the whole of Goa has incredible coastline, dotted with innumerable beaches, water sports, cheap alcohol, shacks by the beach, dolphin spotting. These are all major attraction for the tourist. They say sun above, sand below, and peace within. Truly, peace within for me right now. Lovely. I was just waiting for this moment to see the water of Arabian Sea. There you can see pristine beach. Lovely. Nice. I can't get enough of the waters. And the favorite thing that I like to do at a beach is to run. I don't know, somehow I always had this feeling, moment I see the beach is to run. Let me just keep the phone for a while and fulfill this passion of mine. See you after some time.
To come.
Tasty, tasty. After the beach activities, we are famished. Time for some Goan lunch. Kept it really simple. King's fish with rice, served with lots of gravy. And this is spicy coconut chutney kind of a thing to be had with the fish curry. This adds the right amount of spicy flavor. How can a meal end without sweet dish? We are trying out the very famous Goan dessert, bebenka. Goan dessert, bebenika. A heavy meal, and after that bebenika dessert, it was quite heavy, and now I'm sitting and relaxing, watching Sid playing around. Went for a little walk by the beach, saw some paragliding, not interested in sleep, so sitting and just enjoying the view. Let me just show you. Here you can see the view now. Very scenic. That's the beach at the distance, the setting sun, the coconut trees, and that's our resort. That's the eating area, in fact. That's the pool. Some children are still enjoying there, and my one is at a distance on the swing there. Such an awesome view. loving this feel, this experience, these serene moments. I feel so blessed. For getting this rich experience. There she's on the merry-go-round. She's quite content by herself. Mama, enjoying yourself?
Yes,
What is yours?
my own language.
At the Betal Batim beach in the evening. See the lighting? There you are.
The sound of the record playing your hands in my hands, letting go of everything else. All I wanna know is this. I'm a butterfly.
After hunting for a long time, we finally found our cozy spot. A shack on the beach. We are at the Maxika Beach Shacks.
I got to break free. Go.
ওটা ভিডিওর মধ্যে যাবে।
হ্যাঁ সব কিছুকে একটা ব্যালেন্স রাখবে। তুমি পছন্দ না করলে জিনিসটা হবে না, এরকম তো জিনিসটা হবে না, হবে এবার তোকে ওটার সঙ্গে অ্যাডজাস্ট করে চলতে হবে।
This is my midnight meal. There is Goan salad. There is this sabudana prawn, peas pulao, and chatpata chicken. Done for the day with this sumptuous dinner. Let's end the Goa vlog here itself because otherwise it's becoming too long. Catch you in the next vlog of Goa part 2. Till then, take care and lots of love. And if you like today's video, do give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends and family. Thank you so much for watching. Deo Borem Korum. Yes? Yeah, tell me.
Deo Borum Korum.
Deo Borem Korum. Bye bye and God bless. Mwah. Tatas.